Previously, I had created a video to give the answer to the question, which is, will your Snapchat streaks be lost if you deactivate your Snapchat account? If you do want to know the answer, you can go watch out that 1-minute video, which is now displaying in the screen card. And when I posted the answer in that video, some people were asking another question in the comments that, will they lose their snaps or photos they have captured using Snapchat if they deactivate their Snapchat account? So today I'm here to give the answer to that question. So buddies, if you deactivate your Snapchat account, your snaps and photos will be 100% safe and sound, and they won't be lost and they won't go anywhere. No matters for how long you deactivate, you won't lose your photos and you can access them whenever you reactivate your Snapchat account after the deactivation. So now if you want to know that will your Snapchat streaks be lost if you deactivate your account, or if you want to know that how you can reactivate your deactivated Snapchat account, here are 2 quick video tutorials in the end screen of this video. You can go watch out that video. I'll be waiting for you there. And if you have any of the questions regarding this specific topic, you can comment below this video. I reply to every single comment posted on my channel. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much.